guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, do you hear that? You guys have to hear that. Unless the microphone on my camera is not picking it up, they're stomping so loud. Do you hear it? Okay, I'm gonna try to push through it, but I feel like there's just like thumping in my head, but it's the stompers above me. Anyways, yeah, today's video is going to be an Empties video. I feel like I don't have quite as much trash as I usually do. And I think that's because 2 of the weeks I was actually in Arizona, like 2 of the weeks between my last Empties and this Empties, I was in Arizona and I totally finished up an entire bottle of lotion, an entire bottle of shower gel, a shampoo, a conditioner, and I just left it all there because there's like weight limitations on your suitcase and stuff like that. So I finished up a moisturizer, I did a face mask, but again, I threw it away in Arizona. So I think that's why this Empties is just a little bit smaller, but I still have some really good stuff. And recently I finished up some makeup products. So yeah, we're gonna hop into my trash talking. Okay, first things first, let's talk about shower products because those always seem to be right on top for some reason. So I have 2 shower gels right here. The first one, I was so sad to see this go, you guys. This was like my baby, and I didn't buy a new one this year, and I'm so sad. That's a lie. I bought a teeny tiny bottle of it when I was in Arizona, but I didn't buy like the full-size bottle of it, and I totally should have, but like it's so expensive. This is the Lush Snow Fairy Shower Gel. Oh my god, you guys, the smell of this, if you like over-the-top, super sweet, just like candy, cotton candy scents, you will love the smell of Snow Fairy. This year, Lush came out with a whole bunch of different things in the Snow Fairy line. It used to just be shower gel and like a shimmery thing. Now they have like a body conditioner and they have like a solid shower gel. They just have more Snow Fairy, which is very good, but I didn't get any of it this year. I'm so sad. Oh my god, I can go on forever about that. It's my favorite. Then I have a Vanilla Bean Noel. I think this is actually last year's packaging. Every single Empties, I always tell you guys, this is the last one. And then I somehow find another one like under my sink or something. This truly was my very last old Vanilla Bean Noel scented product. They repackaged it. Actually, here's the new packaging for this year. I restocked, but I buy Vanilla Bean Noel, like I buy a ton when it comes out, enough to last me like all year. So that kind of sways into my next product. This I talked about in my January favorites. I wasn't lying, you guys. I love this product so much that I went through an entire tub of it. I'm on my second one in a month. That's a lot of product to go through in a month. This is the Bath & Body Works Super Soft Body Butter with Shea Butter in the Vanilla Bean Noel scent, which smells like cake frosting if you ask me. It smells so good. But yeah, this product itself, I bought a couple more tubs of it. I also bought one in the Winter Candy Apple scent when it was on like super semi-annual sale price. So yeah, I think the Super Soft Body Butter comes in other scents. If it does, you have to pick it up. If you live in a dry, cold climate, it is a lifesaver. I also went through just a standard lotion by Bath & Body Works, the Vanilla Bean Noel scent, of course. So yeah, they basically have their lotions in like different levels of intensity. This is a, ooh, excuse me. I haven't had lunch yet and I'm getting like burpy, gassy. So yeah, their Super Smooth Body Lotion is like the least intense. Then there's a body cream, then there's a body butter. Anyways, both are good. Dry shampoo, I also went through one of these in Arizona. Again, threw it away there because I wasn't gonna fly back with my trash. So I've gone through 4 bottles of dry shampoo. Not bad if you ask me. That's well, 5 technically because 1 is there in Arizona. But yeah, my favorite scent, you guys already know, the Bright and Lively Floral. So I went through 3 of those. And then I also went through the Eva NYC Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. This is actually really good, you guys. It has a really nice smell to it. Ooh, there's a little bit left. No, there isn't. It has a really nice smell to it. And it is also very, very powdery, which I like powdery dry shampoos personally. I feel like they soak up the oil in my hair just a lot better than the non-powdery ones. Kind of makes sense, right? But yeah, Batiste, my favorite. This one, I won't buy it again, but it was good. So I talked to you guys about this either in my last empties or maybe the empties before that, where I was going to throw it out because it was so old. And then in that empties video, I was like, you know what? I need to try this again. I need to finish it up. I can't be wasteful. So I threw it back in my shower and I made myself use it. Like, I took out all the other shower gels in my shower and I only, not shower gels, face washes. This is a face wash. I took all the other face washes out of my shower, forced myself to only be able to use this one. It's the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Daily Treatment Mud to Foam. Yeah, it really is not my favorite product in the world. It is good. It does do like an intense deep clean on your skin, but I just much prefer like Philosophy Purity. Right now I'm using Kate Somerville. I'm not a fan of that as a cleanser. As a mask, awesome. As a cleanser, don't like it. I have two facial moisturizers here. In fact, one of them isn't particularly a facial moisturizer. It's just an all-over cream. It's the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I've talked to you guys about this, I don't even know how many times. This is something like I just cannot live without this product. It is the best intense face cream ever. You can use it on your arms. I use it down my neck, and right now it is so dry outside that you need something like that. So love that. And then the second one is the Nia Fully Charged Serum and Moisturizer 2-in-1 product. I don't think I'll ever buy this again. It was something I bought on a whim and I made a whole video about the Nia products. And they have this really cool like foam to peel off mask type thing. They have a lot of like 2-in-1 products for like lazy girls. And I wasn't a huge fan of their moisturizer, to be honest. It worked, but it wasn't anything I'm ever gonna buy again. I have one makeup wipe package here. It's the Pond's Original Fresh. Oh my gosh, these smell so good. I don't usually use these on my face. I typically use them just to get swatches off my hands, like when I'm filming videos or when I'm getting ready in the morning. But if I do need a makeup wipe for my face, oh my god, they smell so good. I have one last hair product. This is the It's a 10 Miracle Mask. This was just a sample I received. I think it was like a free gift with purchase. I used the whole thing in one use because there wasn't that much. And I know my hair's in a bun, but it goes down to my butt, you guys. Like, I need to get a haircut so bad. But anyways, this was okay. I really want to buy the macadamia, what the heck is it called? I haven't bought it in a couple of years now. It's the macadamia brand one, like the deep repair mask. It used to be my favorite, and I've just been trying to use up everything else I have before I buy that again. But yeah, this was okay, but not as good as that one. Okay, digging into makeup now. So this is kind of a makeup product, but not really. It's the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I have another one back here that I'm using. This is good, you guys. It's like the best makeup setting spray I think that I've ever tried. It just really locks your makeup into place. It's kind of like hairspray for your face, but it doesn't leave your face feeling sticky or anything like that. It just locks everything into place and just makes your makeup look better. I have 3 eyebrow pencils here. Holy moly, is that right? I went through 3 eyebrow pencils this month. Wow. Okay, so the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Taupe. This has got to be one of my favorite brow pencils. I have another one I'm using right now. The Precisely My Brow by Benefit in the number 2. This is very similar to the Brow Wiz. It's just Benefit versus Anastasia. And then the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I actually really like this one, you guys. This one has such a unique tip. It has like a diamond shaped tip, which makes it precise, but then also you can use it quickly to fill in your brows as well. It's just kind of very multi-purpose, and I really do like all of these. I'd buy all of these again. I have one mascara in here. It's the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. This is one of my favorite mascaras. This one is, I probably could get another couple uses out of it, but it's starting to smell kind of like paint, and that's not good. So I'm tossing it out, but this is just good for like everyday, like slightly voluminous lashes. It doesn't anything, too excited. It isn't anything like super crazy. Like, it's not gonna make you look like you're wearing falsies or anything like that, but it just works well. It doesn't flake. It's very black. Love it. I have a concealer in here, the Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Concealer in the color Light. I actually get to the point where I take the stopper out of these and scrape the inside. I get every last drop out of products that I love because it's expensive, you know, so I want to get as much as I can. This, I actually have a backup. It went on sale at Ulta for 50% off one day, so I swooped that up and I have it as a backup. But Urban Decay, okay, do you hear it? You gotta hear the stomping. Urban Decay recently came out with a all-nighter naked skin concealer, which I purchased and I've been trying it and I don't know if I like it, or I don't know, like, I don't know. I'm still on the fence about it, but yeah, this is one of my favorite concealers. I have a face powder in here. This is the Tarte BB Confidence Creamy Powder Foundation. Light beige is the color that I wear. I scraped this baby out. That is all pan there. I love this as a powder foundation. I used it just as my daily powder foundation. The only thing is, it is so creamy that it doesn't keep me as matte as other powder foundations do. So like the Kat Von D Locket I like a lot more, so I don't know that I'll buy that one again, but I think that was like a deal of the day and it was well worth what I paid for it. Okay, I have a couple of lashes in here and then that is it. That is the extent of my beauty trash this time around. I have the Ardell Studio Effects. These must have been regular wispies, or maybe they're Demi Wispies. The Studio Effects Demi Wispies are my favorite lashes. If you don't know, I think they're exclusive to Ulta because that's the only place I've been able to find them. But basically, it's a row of regular lash and then a half row on top, just on the outside, so like a lash and a half. And I'm not wearing any falsies today, so I don't know why I'm pointing to my eye. But they just look so good. I wore them in my engagement photos and I just think my lashes look so great. And then these are just the regular Ardell Wispies. Oh, here's more. Studio Effects Demi Wispies. The regular Ardell Wispies, it's just one row of lashes and they're still really pretty, but they're not as dramatic as the Studio Effects. Alright guys, well that is my Empties video for this time around. I hope that you guys like these videos. I think you do because they're one of my most highly watched videos. I know I love Empties videos because if somebody can tell you what a product is like after they used the whole thing, they really have a good idea of how good or how bad it is, you know what I mean? And a lot of these products are like my holy grail products, like the Batiste and the Vanilla Bean Noel and the First Aid Beauty. So I just think it gives you guys a good idea, even if it's repetitive, it gives you a good idea of the products that I'm still using and still loving. And then some of the products where I'm like, man, maybe don't waste your money on it, you know what I mean? So anyways, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.